Hello everyone. Today's video is for class 10. The topic is modern periodic table, chemistry. First we will be knowing that what is atomic number. If the concept of atomic number is clear, then we will be knowing about who discovered it. So atomic number. Atomic number is equal to number of protons and number of electrons. Suppose in a cell, this is called the nucleus. In the nucleus, these are the orbits. Here constitutes the nucleus, and beside it, it contains the protons. That is the positively charged ions. Now, here constitutes all the electrons. So, in a cell, if the number of electrons, like suppose, if this constitutes 8 electrons and it constitutes 8 protons, then what will be the atomic number? The atomic number will also be 8, because 8 protons and 8 electrons, thus it will be 8. Next, let us come back to periodic table. What's a periodic table? A periodic table is a table in which all the elements are represented by their atomic number. But the first one who discovered it was Daubenheimer. It is known as Daubenheimer's trade. Daubenheimer didn't knew about the noble gases, neither the noble gases nor many other elements. So what he did, he just took, suppose he took hydrogen and helium was not even discovered then, lithium, beryllium. So hydrogen constitutes of 1 atomic number, lithium constitutes of 2, not 2, 3, and it constitutes 4. So what he did, he said that to discover the modern periodic table was Daubenheimer. It is known as Daubenheimer's trade. He didn't, during his time, the noble gases were not even invented, neither any other gases or the elements. So what he did, he used some traits to represent it, and he didn't represented the elements as their atomic number. The next one, so this was disqualified. The next one was octave. How he represented? He represented that every 8 element, he represented 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now every 8 element represents the first element 1. This was, as octave was also lover of music, he used this as tune. That every 8 element represents the number 1 element. Now, the third one was Mendeleev. How Mendeleev described it? Mendeleev represented the periodic table as according to their atomic weight. Yes, like hydrogen has atomic weight, still the noble gases weren't invented. So first was hydrogen, which atomic weight is 1.008. Now the lithium is 6.939. Now after this, beryllium Beryllium is 9.012. Now, like this, he discovered it. But there were some elements that aren't matching with it. These were some defects, like the position of isotope was not matching, and many other things. Then after this was also disqualified. After this, there was Moseley. Moseley represented the periodic table as according to their atomic number. Yes, during Moseley's time, the noble gases were invented and all the other gases, noble gases were invented and any other elements and gases too. So it was easy for him to represent it. This was known as the modern periodic table. Now Moseley's one was known as the modern periodic table, which is still used now. What it represented that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Means the elements that we use, that is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, hydrogen has 1, helium has 2, lithium has 3 and beryllium has 4. Like this, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, helium is 2 and lithium is 3 and beryllium is 4. Like this, according to atomic number, all the elements are represented. This much for today. Like, share and comment and view the most time.